Yadum ure yavarun kelir, which means I am a world citizen. Every citizen is my own kith and kin.
Today we are going to see how to register your AWS certification exam. So it is going to be a process of simple steps we are going to follow. So first, be ready with your Gmail ID or your company's email ID. So we are going to link your email IDs first with AWS account. So launch aws.training website. So click the certification tab. You will be getting a link to sign into your training and certification account. So click that. So we have all regions, Japan and China, and via APN Partner Central. If your company is an APN partner, you can sign in using that. So we are normal user. We are going to create your account using sign in option and then click create your Amazon account. Enter in your name, your first name and last name both together. So I'm using ZW Technologies and Services. So the email ID which I have created a couple of minutes back, so I'm going to use that. So please avoid spelling mistakes while typing your email. It's safe to copy and paste your email ID. So I'm copying it and I'm going to paste it. So we are going to create a password for your AWS training account. Just click create your Amazon account. So there was a problem in giving my password. Try to correct it. I guess I have made the mistake again. I'm sorry guys. Oh my god. Last chance. So all your AWS certification is valid for 3 years. Your cloud practitioner certification, associate level certification, and professional or specialty level certification. A OTP will be created. So if you are getting mails from Amazon, so your email ID is successfully linked with the AWS training account. So give your first name and last name here. This is the page where your certification credentials will be exactly identified by AWS. So be careful in filling these terms. So business titles, if you are a student, you can mention it as student. So if you are a student, you can mention in the company field as student itself, not a problem. So click by registering for your AWS customer agreement and do save. So this is a place where you have to be very careful. So whatever name you're going to give here, it is going to appear in your AWS certification. So be careful about spelling these terms. Alright. So check your email ID once again here, country, and then create account. Your AWS account is getting created and linked with your email account. So you need to fill your demographics information. Without this, you can't move to the next page. So fill this. You need to give in your address details. So this address is going to be the identity proof address which you are going to show in your examination center. Both the address must be same. So be careful about that. So due to the increased AWS certifications throughout the world, people who are taking AWS certification, AWS has announced Pearson VUE as their testing partner from last year 2018 September. So initially it was only PSI centers where we can take the AWS certification examination. Now Pearson VUE centers are eligible to take the exam. So you need to update this settings too before completing your AWS certification account. This is a short survey which AWS gets from their certification candidates to check in which sectors they are coming in to take the AWS certification, and they are allotting some SMEs to take part in their certification training programs. Your blog writing, and some other uses. AWS is using this form to get some security policies, and in attending their multi-day workshops, some people to validate and review their AWS certification exams. It's about SME programs, so they are asking you to complete this for their needs. So please do this. Click update and confirm, and then click here to proceed to your original destination. So you can check whether all the details are updated correctly, and then click upcoming exams. So there are two tabs available now: manage PSI exams as well as manage PSNView exams. I'm now going to show you how to manage PSNView exams. So these are the certification programs available under AWS. So every program has the same procedures and step to register your examination. So be careful in selecting what examination you are going to choose. Be careful about the code, the exam name, and the language you are going to select. So I'm going to show you now AWS Certified Solution Architect Associate. So I'm going to do it in the local test center. So AWS now authorizes people to take up their cloud practitioner examination via online in your home. PSNView will be monitoring you the online exam. So be careful about selecting the language for your exam. It's going to be English as of for me now. So it's going to be $150. So associate level papers are $150, professional and specialty papers are $300, and cloud practitioner exam are $100. I'm going to schedule this exam. So practice test can be taken at $20. Yes. Yeah. So the tax will be calculated. For India, it is going to be 18% of GST tax. So the total cost will be around $177, I guess. So I'm going to select the test center now. So according to what address you are given in your address field, it is going to search, but you can search it, you can customize this search. I'm going to search ZDub Technologies. Search for, you can search any of the test centers which is available near your city. It's there. I'm going to select ZDub Technologies and Services. I'm going to click next. So I'm going to select the date which I'm going to take the examination. Now you can see the exam selection option where you have selected your exam correctly. You can see the language which you have selected, and then you can choose the time which you're going to take the examination. I'm going to select 12:45 p.m. The process is requesting. Yes, it's done. The price is $150 and the tax is $27. The total amount is $177. So AWS gives you some voucher code to do this examination. Some APN partners have 100% voucher code, some APN partners have 50% voucher code, and if you have already took an AWS exam and you have passed that AWS certification, AWS is going to give you a 50% discount voucher which you can use it at your next exam while registering your next exam. And so if you are very new to the AWS, no vouchers will be given. You need to pay the complete $177. These are the rules and guidelines which need to be followed before taking your AWS examination in the test center. And so while you reach your test center, you need to reach at least 15 minutes before taking your certification examination. So all the certification are 3 years validity. So if you want to reschedule or cancel your examination, you need to do it before 24 hours. So if the 24 hours cutoff time is going to get over, you are not supposed to, you are not eligible to reschedule or cancel your examination. So I spoke about the voucher code. So if you have the voucher code, you can avail the discounts offered by AWS. So if you are going to fail in your AWS examination, you are going to wait at least 14 days to take your re-examination. So all these cards are valid. All international cards are valid. So you cannot use net banking or GPay or some other internet banking platforms. You need only credit card or American Express card or MasterCard or Visa card to do this transaction. So every details will be reflected to your email account. You will get a training and certification link. After the payment is done, you are going to get the invoice from Pearson VUE or PSI Test Center, and the details of the examination center which you have scheduled your examination. So all the best for your certification side, guys. So you are going to see what are the previous exam you have enrolled, digital badges offered by AWS to link your badges in your certification badges in your LinkedIn profile or your resume. Your achieved certifications will be reflected in that link. After you will take at least 2 working days to 5 working days to get your certification reflected in your AWS account. Your benefits, your SME program benefits, or your next exam discount voucher benefit, or your practice exam the $20 exam benefit. So everything you can find it in the benefit tab. So thanks for watching this video. If you have any doubts about this video, please do drop in the comment box. I'll reply it. Thank you, guys.